Good evening, guys. I wasn't planning on posting any trades today, but I gotta show you this. As you can see, it's a live account, right? It's a live account. Look at the history. I haven't taken any loss. I'm using the angelic strategy robot. I haven't taken any loss. Everything is on profit. The students are happy. I'm happy. Look at this. The initial deposit was only $10 using Globex 360. Initial deposit $10. The profit was made 300 US dollars. Running trades 250 US dollars. The angelic strategy robot, guys, is something else. I'm telling you, it's too much. It's like 8 much now, maybe 10. This is the one only young Emma the Forex guru. If you didn't know, well, now you talk. $200,000.
Some more.